It's 5 a.m. here in Toulouse. Today is an amazing day. I'm here to pick up the first ever Airbus A350-1000 with Qatar Airways. Surprisingly, this is my first ever delivery flight. I've been invited on a bunch, but have never been able to go, but today is the day. And today's a little special because Qatar Airways CEO is on board. They will have full Qatar Airways service, but that's not normally the case. Normally Airbus caters the aircraft. 11K, home sweet home. So this is a rear-facing seat, which I'm not mad about because it's got a direct view of the winglet, and that is one gorgeous winglet. My size 14 boots can fit, the fold-out tray, swipe to wake up. It's a fit. That was one beautiful takeoff. Sunrise in Toulouse. It's kind of crazy to think that this is only the 10th time that this plane has taken to the sky. Most delivery flights are less than that. This one had extra test flights just because it's the first ever A350-1000, and boy, is she a smooth and quiet ride. I'm sitting next to the engine. And you guys, this is gonna be the party cabin. Economy?
Economy.
No!
Yes. We're gonna try the economy, A350-1000.
It takes a lot to get me out of my business class seat, but for you, Sam, I'll make an exception.
I'm so honored, sir. Let's go.
All right, this isn't bad. My best friend. And now I'm entering the flight deck during a flight.
How are you?
This is so amazing, guys. Thank you so much. What tells you about turbulence?
First of all, we have some weather chart predictions. And then we have also met charts. Our weather radar cannot predict clear turbulence.
What's the most beautiful thing you've ever seen out the window?
I cannot tell. Every day there is something new.
I am really excited about this flight. This is front row to aviation history, which we experienced today.